If you need to cancel a pending transaction on your Google account, follow these steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Access your Google account. Log into your Google account using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account associated with the transaction you wish to cancel. Step 2. Navigate to Payments and Subscriptions. Once logged in, go to the Payments and Subscriptions section. This can typically be found in the menu or settings area of your Google account. Step 3. Find a pending transaction. Look for the Activity or Recent Transaction section. Here, you should see a list of your recent transactions, including any that are pending. Step 4. Select the transaction. Click on the pending transaction you want to cancel. This will open up more details about the transaction, including options for managing it. Step 5. Cancel the transaction. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. In conclusion, cancelling a pending transaction on your Google account is straightforward if you follow these steps. Always check your account regularly to manage your transactions effectively.